How to find billing settings in Roblox. The first things first, this method is only accessible via the Roblox launcher or the Roblox web version. Now, I'm currently using the web version. Just simply head over directly to roblox.com's official site and make sure that you are fully logged into your account. Now, there are two parts or there are two options in which you can access billing settings. The first things first is head over to the gear icon and go to settings. Now, on the left portion of your screen, you should be able to see subscriptions and payment methods. Now, heading over directly to subscriptions, this is where all your premiums or subscriptions will show up. Now, if you key in into a subscription with paying it monthly, by there you should be able to access billing settings and adjust what you're paying for. Now, there goes payment methods. If you added any payment methods available on your end, maybe Visa or a credit card, then you can also access billing settings before confirming or adding your payment method. So those are the things that you can go ahead and check for you to be able to find or access billing settings in Roblox.